When it comes to installing window tinting film, many factors need to be considered to ensure a successful and long-lasting application. One often overlooked element is the choice of water used during the installation process. While tap water is a readily available option, using bottled water offers several advantages that can make a significant difference to the outcome of your window tinting project. So one advantage is the purity and consistency. One of the primary reasons to opt for bottled water over tap water is this. Tap water may contain impurities such as minerals, chlorine, and other contaminants which can leave residue on the window surface and trap behind the film. This residue can interfere with the adhesive properties of the film and lead to an uneven adhesion and leave a less desirable finish with loads of contaminants. Tap water can sometimes be hard water, and these contain minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals can create water spots on the window surface, which means that when the water evaporates, it can leave spots on the glass, but it looks like contamination and can lead to discolouring of the film. Another thing to consider is the pH level of tap water. Tap water can have varying pH levels depending on where you are in the world, and this inconsistency can affect the adhesive properties of the window tinting film. Another thing to consider is that there may be contaminants in the water, so tap water can contain contaminants like sediment, rust, or even bacteria, and these contaminants can lead to imperfections in the film and reduce the longevity of the film and also the look. While tap water may be suitable for household tasks, when it comes to window film installation, choosing bottled water is undoubtedly the option to choose. The purity, consistency, the pH balance, and the freedom from contaminants that you get from bottled water is the clear choice. So don't compromise the quality of your window tint by making the switch to bottled water for a flawless finish that enhances the aesthetic and the performance of the tinted windows.